In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently relink missing images in Adobe Illustrator. This is an essential skill to ensure your designs maintain their integrity and that all elements are displayed as intended. First, we'll need to open the Links panel. You can do this by navigating to the top menu, selecting Window, and then choosing Links from the drop-down. The Links panel is a crucial tool as it helps manage all the external assets in your document, like images and graphics. Being able to access this panel is your initial step to identifying and resolving missing links. Next, within the Links panel, you might notice some images showing a warning icon, or marked specifically with Missing Link. These indicators are telling you that the file originally linked in your document is no longer available in its specified location. This could happen for a variety of reasons, such as moving files on your computer or renaming them. The key is to identify which linked image is flagged. Once you've spotted the missing link, click to select that particular image in the Links panel. Doing so highlights it and prepares for the relinking process. Now, turn your attention to the panel's menu. This can often be found as a flyout menu within the panel itself. Here, you want to choose the option labeled Relink. This command initiates the process of reconnecting the missing image. When you select Relink, a File Browse dialog will appear on your screen. This is your opportunity to navigate to the correct, updated image file that you want to use. Make sure you know the location of the updated file on your computer beforehand to save time. Once you've found the correct image, click to select it and then hit the Place or OK button on the dialog. This action will swap the missing link with the correct file. If you have multiple missing images and their names only slightly differ, or if they follow a certain pattern, there may be an option in this dialog labeled something like Apply to All. Selecting this can be a real time saver, as it systematically solves the problem for all images in a similar state in one go. Pay close attention to these options as they can significantly streamline your workflow. Finally, to confirm that everything is in place and functioning correctly, it's crucial to save your Illustrator document. Once you save, you should see the newly linked image displaying correctly within your design. This small act of saving seals your work, ensuring that the changes are permanently noted in your file and preventing the same issue from creeping up again the next time you open the document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently address any missing links in your Illustrator documents, keeping your designs seamless and accurate. Thanks for watching, and take care.